Good morning. Now we have a serious issue all over the nation. Private schools and colleges, which occupy 40% of the student strength in schools and 90% of the student strength in colleges, they are demanding fees. The governments, state governments and central government had ordered schools and colleges not to collect the fees. They had also said, please pay the teacher salary promptly. But now the private managements, they are telling they cannot pay the teacher salary because they are not getting the student fee. This is utter lie. I would like to clarify here that all these private education institutions are not run as companies to pay the tax. They are run as charitable trust and they get tax exemption nearly 30% every year. So just look for the last 10 years, if they are not paying the 30% tax every year, it is going to be 300%, and this is going to cross the investment they had put in the business. Instead of charity, they had done as business and they had not paid the tax. All these had gone as profit, as black money into their accounts. Now they are telling they cannot pay the teacher salary. See, just now we are entering into the next academic year. What about the teacher salary for the last 3-4 months, March, April, May, June? They had not paid. It is from the fee collected for the previous academic year. Now they had gone to the courts. They are going to every high court and the Supreme Court and telling that please allow us to collect the student fee. I would like to request before the honorable judges and honorable commissioners of the income tax, please join the case. Commissioners of the income taxes, Director Generals of the income taxes of every state, please implead yourself as petitioners in the case and ensure whatever they are telling is true or not. If the private managements are submitting an account statement, you have to verify whether it is true or false. You cannot just stay away from the course. You have to join as petitioners and you have to file caveat in every high court of the nation. And honorable judges, please do not accept any case pertaining to the private schools and colleges without impleading the income tax officials as petitioners. Only if the income tax department is put into the circle, we could understand that several lakh crores have been plundered from this nation. They had gone as black money. Now it is high time. Now we are suffering from pandemic disease. So many people had died. So several lakhs had been affected by this disease. Even now, education cannot be a business. Education has to be service, pure service as per the law in which it is stated education has to be service. My second request is to the teachers. Private schools and college teachers, nearly 50 lakhs teachers all over the nation. Please do not join the managements and demand school fees or college fees, because you are going to earn 2 lakhs, 1.5 lakhs to 2.5 lakhs per year, and you are going to spend 1 lakh for your children's education. What is the worth? Even if you do not earn by this source, you can earn by some other source and even get the same money. But at any point of time, you will have to pay for your students' education in private schools and colleges, because you yourself work in private colleges and you are not expected to send your wards to the government schools and colleges. I am sorry, I am not criticizing the government schools and colleges. We like the government schools and colleges to be better and have more number of children and provide good education, but the reality is not so. Hence we go to the private managements. Even for toilet facilities, our government schools are not to that extent. I am not criticizing, please don't take me in the wrong view. So do not go with the private managements and demand for payment of the fees from the teachers, from the parents. It is going to cost you more. So even if the management is not getting the student fee, it should, as a charitable institution, it should pay your salary. That is what they had registered themselves as a charity organization, charity society, charity trust. If you do not support them to earn the profit margin even in this COVID lockdown period, then you are going to eliminate them from the business, and the business is going to come into the hands of the teachers. Then it will be conducted as pure service. Teachers will get good income, students will get fees reduction. This will happen. So we are not at the starting point of the struggle, we are at the ending point of the struggle. This struggle had been for many years, and we are going to end this struggle. We are going to save the nation from the private college owners, corporates who had plundered lot of the nation's wealth. Tomorrow education will be a service, and education quality is going to improve in the hands of the teachers. Please do not join in any agitation or strike or any protest with the college management seeking student fee from the parents. Whatever the government rule had been in practice, and please support the government. The government had made a very good decision, all the state governments and central government. Thank you.